So, ito yung binabalik-balikan ng mga patients ko sa clinic. So, the Relamins Gluta 1000 is reduced L-glutathione. Meron siyang alpha-lipoic acid and rose hip. Since reduced L-glutathione siya, mas mabilis po siyang ma-absorb ng ating body at meron pong rose hips for faster absorption. Some of my patients tell me that this is their favorite product.
And as I've said before, one of my go-tos talaga is this Relumens Gluta 1000. I really take my supplements before bedtime.
All-in-one booster, inside and out. Plus, super affordable siya kumpara sa ibang glutathione supplements. Glowing skin na hindi nakaka-bankrupt.
2 capsules ang iniinom ko araw-araw, isa sa umaga at isa sa gabi. At napakasaya dahil sobrang daling i-incorporate sa daily routines ko. Game changer talaga sa akin ang Relumens Gluta 1000. Kaya kung gusto mo rin ng healthy and radiant skin, highly recommended talaga na itry mo to. And you will see the difference.